वीडियो डायरीज बाय वर्ता एंड मैं आई हुई हूँ एक्सपो सेंटर कराची विद माय मदर बिकॉज वो इन्होंने यहाँ पर स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है, दैट इज़ हर स्टॉल। और मैं आई हूँ इधर स्टॉल देखने के लिए और मैं आप लोग को यहाँ का पूरा टूर कराऊंगी। ये हमारे पास लिप रिवाइवल है, ये हमारे पास रूबी बीट्स हैं, वी हैव हील्स एंड हील, वी हैव इटर्ना, हियर इज नेचर मिस्टिक और आपका वो नीचे घिरा हुआ है और गड्डी पकड़ो। पकड़े मम्मा। ये हमारे पास नीम स्टिक और ये हमारे पास सैफरॉन रेडिएंट एलिक्सर। और अभी मम्मा अपना स्टॉल सेटअप कर रही है। NAD स्टॉल एंड they have a wide range of technology. So I came to another stall of NAD University. I had a talk with the teacher and I really like their products. Like they are using ashes as a recycled material in industries, and this is something that's commonly done out of Pakistan, but now they are bringing it in Pakistan, and this is something that we should definitely promote because it would lead to so many benefits for Pakistan and for the youth of Pakistan as well.
From NAD University third campus Mithi. There is a third pole field in Tharparkar where we have a very large deposit of the coal, and this coal is being used to generate electricity. When they burn coal to generate electricity, the ash is produced, that is a waste product, and it is being produced in the millions of tons every year. We have utilized that coal ash as a replaced construction material. Here, these are the pavers, paving blocks, pavers, and these are the bricks, clay bricks we call it. And this project has been also collaborated by the Anglo Power with us, and we have technically, economically, commercially and environmentally evaluated that it is very much workable, and we are presenting here and we are soon going to launch this product in the market with the help of our industrial partners. If you have any queries, you can contact us. My phone number is 0333 and email is madhtu@nadup.edu.pt. Thank you.
I visited was this one, and they provide two things. The first thing they provide is for blind people a cycle medicine packaging system, which is very beneficial. It gives blind people the ability to read their checklist and know which tablets have to take at which time and allow them to grow well. And the second product that they are offering is a hand and pocket nebulizer, which is like a nebulizer but a one button press and in a pocket nebulizer, which is very nice and very useful. And here another stall was offering nanoparticles as their project. They showed how they use nanoparticles and how they store them from natural compounds. And on the other stall, excuse me, was a robotic hand, and I have seen these so many times in my life, but yet they never fail to impress me how much technology has advanced and has come to this level. And then next we had some extractives of different drugs and compounds which the students were showing that are used in the medical. These people here were using waste products to enhance the shelf life of fruits and vegetables at different condition, like room condition, refrigerator condition, nitrogen condition. This is something that's really helpful and can be really beneficial for us. And this was definitely out of a bot project. They were degrading the use of plastic by making plastic edible. Like, I mean it, they were literally making plastic edible, and this was definitely something that is unique and something that will 100% play a good role in our economy. And then the other product that I saw was a simple Pythagoras program theory that was using artificial AI to do simple basic solvation and simple basic laws. Now, this is something that can be really helpful and can provide really benefit, though it may not be useful for algebra and Pythagoras theorem and partial fraction and things like that. But it can definitely play a great role in other things like simple mathematics, or getting simple answers, or trying to learn the basic concepts and basic steps of that particular mathematical problem. And it is designed to that you can use it from quite a distance. Like, it is something that can be really beneficial in schools for the staff and students, and something that if we put a little bit more work on and a little bit more effort on, it can definitely be enhanced to something really good. Like, that's my point of view on this experiment, because it was something, because it is 100% something really nice. But if it is given the proper database to do partial fraction and other long mathematical theories, then for sure it would be a great project. Here they had made an earthquake detecting system to warn the entire nation of earthquakes and their ability and stuff like that. And here they had made electromotive cars with cameras to use in the places like, for example, warehouses where humans are not able to go. These cars will go and they will be able to do the research and whatever, and like material check whatever but that they need to do. These cars will do it. And then secondly, there was another stall in which this girl was offering sunscreen, and this was a very nice variety of sunscreen. Like, it was a 50 PA sunscreen. It can be used as a moisturizer, a primer, and it gives no whiteness. I'm showing you the result of this on camera, and even in real life it was going no whiteness, and it was a really nice brand. After this, me and my brother had decided that we wanted to get something to eat because damn, we were hungry. And on the way to the food court, we saw the entire section of Nephron, we saw diabetic effects, and finally made it to the food court. I ordered food, and I got pasta with macaroni cheese. Next stall I saw is that the students of the university built a microscope, but at a budget of 10,000. And I have personally checked it myself that there is not a single difference in the quality. Even though there's a budget, it has a high difference. The qualities literally have the same difference. सारा black black carbon यहाँ आ जाएगा, carbon यहाँ अंदर. The next stall I'm looking at is from Hamdard University, where vlog, and they are giving cramp breathing serums along with mood fresheners and candies which they have made from herbs. And this is the name of the business if any of you girlies are interested. And if you want, you can follow her page, which is Herb Galaxy. The product that I am looking at is Cheeks to have Jinnah University for Women, and they are providing a wide range of products regarding different materials and different article openings. The next depart I'm seeing is Sindh Agriculture University, and they are providing a variety of products which are basically consist of moringa. I myself did not know what moringa is until the head teacher introduced it to me. That is basically a plant. They are providing a wide variety from bread, tomato powder to biscuits, noodles. There is a large variety of every single thing that they are feeling and hoping to bring in a market for diabetic people, which is definitely a unique and surprising texture as well. The next stall is from University of Sindh, and they created artificial skin for growth and development, which is very nice. This
We have
is
tested this on the albino mice. Here we created a wound and then we stitch our skin and cover with the plaster. This is the comparison result. You can
it's really impressive.
poster है कुछ आप देख सकते हैं.
Really impressive.
Thank you.
The next one is from 100 University of the brand Europia, and they have medically tested products. This is their variety, which is amazing. Another project from 100 University is this nasal serums that they are planning on bringing on the market soon, and I would highly recommend trying these out. Maybe फील्ड चेंज हो जाए आपके बच्चे, क्योंकि अब मेरा जो पर्सनल मन है ना NAD के प्रोजेक्ट्स देखकर, अब वो NAD की ही प्रोडक्ट्स के ऊपर है कि वो इतने अच्छी चीज़ें बनाते हैं, इतना अच्छा और सब कुछ उन्होंने वेल मेंटेन करके रखा हुआ है. मे बी मैं इंजीनियरिंग की तरह चली जाऊँगा, आई एम बीइंग प्रैक्टिकली ऑनेस्ट. बट फिर जो होगा आगे देखा जाएगा, और इंशाल्लाह तब तक मैं ब्लॉगिंग करती रहूँगी और आप लोगों को साथ साथ दिखाऊँगी. बट अभी होता है हमारे इस ब्लॉग का एंड. ये ब्लॉग एंड करते साथ ही मैं शुरू करने वाली हूँ नया ब्लॉग, जिसमें मैंने जाना है मलीर सॉरी मलीना मॉल जाना है शादी की शॉपिंग करने के लिए. अभी यहाँ से निकल के देखना बचाएंगे, तो अभी हम इस वाले ब्लॉग को शुरू करने वाले हैं. तो अब आपने क्या करना है, आपने वो वाला ब्लॉग में देखना है और मेरे चैनल को लाइक करना है, सब्सक्राइब करना है, कमेंट करना है, शेयर करना है. एंड आई विल सी यू गाइस सून विद दैट ब्लॉग. अंटिल देन बाय.